Thinking about this question, something that really came to my mind is to never become complacent in life, whether that's in your own personal life or in your own working life. So one of my goals is to continually invest in my own personal and educational growth outside of the building, and that could be through organizations like the PMPA, some of our technology vendors, or some educational institutions. But in order for me to grow, I also need to be able to focus on the growth of my team around me. Over the last few years, this team's grown from 4 people to 10 people, with lots of great stories of how everybody's got to where they are. And it's about all of us being able to grow together that really makes things successful. So some of the leadership principles that have contributed to my success, I feel like I'm not afraid to fail. I'm relentless in the pursuit of a solution, and where there's a will, there's a way, and between me and my team, we'll find a way. My next, leadership quality that's really helped me get to where I am is my communication. I'm all about trying to let everybody know what's going on as soon as I know, and trying to make sure that all the puzzle pieces are clicking together and that everybody's rowing to the same beat. And I think that's helped drive a lot of success. My last one, I think, is my hands-on skills, learning and listening what the true problems are, right? I'm not afraid to get out there and go do some of these things myself and really understand, what the true problems are, as opposed to trying to just hear it from word of mouth. So I think my biggest accomplishment so far has been bringing this engineering team together at Precision Plus. When I got here after college in 2016, we were kind of a few individuals that kind of all did our own thing. As I got my feet under me and really got to get going here at Precision Plus, we really focused on becoming one big team here. And that's, like I said, has grown from the 4 people that we originally started with all the way up to 10 now. The ability to be able to see all of us come together and do so much bigger and better things as a group is really starting to show through now.